If you are getting ready to enroll in Medicare and your spouse is not yet eligible for Medicare, what do you do with your spouse as far as health insurance goes? Normally, your only option is the ACA, Obamacare, Affordable Health Care Act, Healthcare Marketplace. It's all the same thing with different names. That's health insurance. That's private health insurance for people under 65. And it's expensive for most people. Some people get a tax subsidy, and it's very, very inexpensive. But the majority of people do have to pay a very hefty monthly price for it. You can go to the marketplace in your state, type in your expected income, and get an idea. But if you're 62, we'll say $600 a month to $900 a month with a very high deductible. So a lot of people say, well, I'm very healthy. I really don't want to pay that for the 3 years until I get to Medicare. Is there any other option? Well, there's an option called HealthShare Ministries. We don't offer that at the MedicareFamily.com because it's not insurance. So there's a lot more at risk there, not having the protection of insurance, but it is an option that it is out there. It's generally about half the price of the Affordable Care Act, and it comes with its own risks and rewards. The other option, again, which I really talk about, is called short-term medical. Short-term medical is, again, not ACA. It's not the healthcare plan, but it is health insurance. So you have the protections of the state and the federal government that comes with insurance products. And it's only for a small duration. Now, the first Trump administration rolled back the prior Obama-era administrations that limited short-term care. And Trump expanded it to 3 years, 36 months. So in my scenario, somebody 62 could buy short-term medical for 3 years, half the price of Obamacare, and get up to Medicare. It was like a bridge to Medicare. Again, it's insurance. You have those protections. It's about half the price of the Affordable Care Act. But not everybody can get it. With the Affordable Care Act, everybody can get it regardless of their health. Short-term medical, the reason it is so much less expensive is because there are health underwriting questions. If you have huge, major chronic conditions, you won't be able to get it. So for healthy people, again, in my scenario, relatively healthy, you can save a lot of money. You have defined risks of your policy, and it can get you up there to Medicare and potentially save you a lot of money. Now, most plans don't cover pre-existing. So if I'm turning 62 and I already know I already have back issues, it's not going to cover my back issues. But if I get cancer, it would cover my cancer. So you want to look at the policy that you get. Not all insurance companies offer short-term medical, but there are some very large companies that offer really good plans. Now, depending on what other things that are going on with your health, you might want to bundle other policies like a puzzle, fit more policies together to get more comprehensive, to buy yourself more coverage. Now, what I told you was what it used to be in the Obama administration, then during the first administration. Now we got to get up to the Biden administration where they shrunk it down and you could only be on short-term medical up to 4 months. Some states made it shorter. Why did they do that? Because they didn't want people over there. They wanted everybody under 65 that had to buy private insurance to go into the risk pool for the Affordable Care Act, Obamacare, because they need healthy people over there to bring the cost down for everybody. So if all the healthy people jump over to short-term medical, that drives up the cost of the Affordable Care Act even higher. So they said, you can have it, but you can't be on it very long. It's very temporary. So here we are in the second Trump administration in 2025. What are they doing? So they are looking at, again, expanding it back to where it was before, to 36 months, to allowing you to be on it up to 3 years. But they're trying to do it in a different way so that we don't have this ping pong back if the next administration wants to roll it back again. So they have, as of now, May of 2025, they have gotten a 6-month extension so they can try to get a better legal maneuvering so that when they do extend it, which they're going to extend it, that the next administration can't just boom, shorten it back up again. And we have this constant cycle. So we'll see. It's all legal maneuvering. You just need to know that what kind of product this is. It's real insurance. It's good insurance. It doesn't cover pre-existing conditions. You have to pass health underwriting. It's available in all states, different carriers. you can choose different benefit plans. So there's a little construction, just like a Medicare supplement. You choose different plans. You choose which plan that you're most comfortable with. So it's something that we can talk to you about at the Medicare Family when the Affordable Care Act, which we can also help you with, is out of your budget and you don't qualify for a tax subsidy, which wouldn't make it out of your budget, and you're really healthy and you like the risk associated with short-term medical, which is, it's not going to cover your pre-existing, but it would cover whatever's defined in your policy. So it's called short-term medical. We a lot of times call it a bridge to Medicare that you could get currently for up to 4 months. But likely in 2026, you'll be able to get it again for up to 30 years. So if you need help with Medicare, with the Affordable Care Act, because you're under 65, with short-term medical, with dental, vision, hearing, if cancer runs in your family and you want to get supplemental cancer coverage, all of those products we can help you with. Our services are free. You can book your own free appointment on our website. Go to themedicarefamily.com. There's a little yellow button. Click on that to book an appointment for a time that's good for you. Our appointments are all over the phone. We don't come to your house. We just call you. No high pressure. If you don't like us, you can hang up. It'd be mean to hang up, but you have that option. If you don't have an immediate gut feeling that we're low pressure, experienced, giving you a lot of options, and taking care of your needs, listening, not just talking and trying to sell, just hang up. I guarantee none of that'll be happening. But that's one of the nice things about not inviting insurance agents into your home, about having the option to do all of your insurance shopping over the phone. So go to our website, book an appointment. If you learn something about short-term medical that you never knew, most people have never even heard of that product, consider subscribing to my channel. I will inch you closer to learning about all these different options that you have available when you approach retirement. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.